The first step is getting access to a broker. So everything has been running on IC Markets, and that is where you get the best conditions. However, if you are based in the US and you cannot use IC Markets, the alternative is Plexi Trade. So they're another great broker which we've been using. You can use other brokers, but I do not know what the results will be. Hopefully they will be the same, but I cannot say with certain if you will get the same results. Now, if you click on a link, this will take you to the IC Market setup page. Click on Join Now on the main page, open an account, and then you just fill in the details. Okay, so now we need to check our email for the account. So you should get an email like this, and you'll be prompted to put in a new password. So just put anything in there that you will remember. And that is your password and login. So now you can log in. And once you're logged in, you've got to provide a government ID and proof of residence, but you can do it later. You don't need to do it now. You can just click on the complete later fund now. But obviously you need to do this. Add some money in. But if you just want to test it for the time being, click on accounts. This is where you can set up a demo account. Once you've got your ID and you've got your money in there, there is a new tab which says live accounts. So you can open a new demo account. And for this to work, it needs to be MT4. It needs to be raw spread, whatever currency you want. So I'm going to choose USD, doesn't matter. Leverage, just make sure it's 1 to 500. And because your demo account, we can just do 1,000. But in your live account, obviously you won't be able to select the deposit. That'll be determined by how much you put in. But keep the leverage up here as 1 to 500 and the raw spread and MT4. And then you go proceed. And it will say that you've been successful, and it will send the details to your email. So you get an email like this with the login, password, and the server. Now go back into the IC Markets dashboard, click on downloads, and you'll see all the downloads. You need to scroll to the bottom for the MetaTrader 4 version, and you click the MT4, download MT4, and then you can see it downloading there. So keep note of where this file is. We'll need it for later. But now let's move on to the next video. Now the next step is to set up your VPS. Now you absolutely don't have to use one, but I do thoroughly recommend it if you do want 24/7 uninterrupted trading. So click the link. This gets you to Zombro. So Zombro I found to be probably the best in terms of cost and professionalism. You can get what we call the Forex VPS. So once you're logged in, you can go to your control panel. And once you're in here, you can simply go to services and you can buy a whole bunch of stuff, but what you're interested in is the Forex server. You click on the Forex server and you order. You can buy for a month, 3 months, half a year, or a year. And this is the cost. So you can get them set up in different regions. And primarily you would choose the data center that is closest to your broker. But for this trading robot, it doesn't really matter. I would suggest that you just choose the most cheapest one. So if you look at these, almost the Forex VPS is half the price. And you can see here, this one allows you to have one terminal. So if you're just intending to run the one system, just run this one, £3.98 for a whole month. That's all you need to run every month to keep this running for you. So we'll do this one here. I'll show you what this looks like. So you can click on this to simply order. So I'm going to call it test, and I'm going to buy it. Got a balance for here already, but if you don't, you can select what you need to have here. Click on this one and click on pay. Now it may take a little while for this to be set up. These are not active yet, but as soon as it becomes active, I'll show you what this looks like. Okay, so this is active now. You can see here it says active. And what you need to do is go to instructions. And you'll see here that you've got a username and password and a whole bunch of details here. So you need this server address. You copy that here. Right click copy. Now, if you're on Windows, just click on Start and type in RDP and click on Remote Desktop Connection. That you put in here, and then you need to also copy and paste your password. So click on Connect. When you get the Enter Your Credentials page, make sure you got the user in the username from Zomro and the password from Zomro in here, and click on OK. If you do get this, it's not a problem. Just click on Don't Ask Me Again, click Yes. And if all goes well, you should get this. It's a blue screen. You can scroll to the bottom. You see it's Windows. It's basically you have now remote control to your VPS. So now I'm going to show you what your next steps are in the next video. Now the third step is to download the training robot and the configuration file. Now, the training robot on the original website, they've upgraded to a new version which is not compatible with this. So it's really important that you download it from the correct place, the previous version 4, not the latest version 5. And you can do this by clicking on the link here. For all of our Patreon members, this should be a free download. So you should be taken to this page. For Patreon members, you don't need to buy now. This should be part of your monthly membership. And for those who prefer to purchase this outright, you can do so by clicking on the Buy Now button. And once you click on the View Files, you should be able to download 2 files. The first file is a compressed file, which contains the previous version 4 of FRZ Scalper. This one is much more powerful than the latest version 5, which is on their website and has been limited, and the set file. So you need both these files, and you'll get the download links, which you'll see in the videos. This has all the links to where you need to click to get access to what you need. So download everything and extract these zip files and put them in a folder for later. So we have everything set up, we've got everything downloaded. This video will now show you how to put it all together, and by the end of this video you will have a fully functional passive income stream set up for you. Okay, here we go. So we have all the files in one place. So the training robot, the version 4, which we downloaded from our website. You got the IC markets. So this is the broker this is the setup file for the broker. If you're using PlexiTrade or another broker, you need to make sure it's in here. And finally, the setup file or the set file, which I put in here. I've got the window for the remote desktop session open, and I've got the login details, which we need to be able to log into our broker. So the first thing you do is we want these files into your VPS. Best way to do that is to select them all like that, right click, this is copy, and then right click in here and paste. Just to let you know, you cannot do a drag and drop, so you can't grab the files and do that. As you can see, it doesn't work, so it has to be a right click, copy, and then a paste. Now, once you've got these 3 files in here, the first thing you need to do is to install the broker software. So double click on it, and you just click next, and it will install everything into the default folders, which is what you want. Now, what I also like to do is to put this into the startup. So you grab the icon, stick it into the startup, and what that happens is if ever your Windows crashes, it will automatically start up IC Markets. So once it's done, you click on Finish. Once it fires up, you'll see something like this. I have already logged into this, so what you will see is this. It will ask you for a username, a login username, a password, and the server. This is where you get that information from the email you received from IC Markets. So you put those details in here, and you click on Login. You should hear that sound. Denotes that you have logged in successfully. Then all you need to do is, first of all, open up a euro-dollar chart. Click it on the 1 minute time frame. The expert advisors, that's the training robot. You see that it's not there at the moment, so we need to put that into the IC Markets terminal. So click on File, click on Open Data Folder, and go to Desktop. That's where we grab this. So you want to grab this. So right click again, click on Copy. If you go to Back, it'll bring you back to where we were before. So now double click on MQL4. click on experts, and if you right click in here and paste, that will copy the trading report into the right folder. Then close this down, right click on expert advisors, refresh, and now you'll see FRZ breakout scalper MT4. And now you click on it, drag it onto the chart. You'll see it's version 4. This is the one that's going to work, not version 5. Click on inputs. Now this is where you load the setup file. So click on there, go to the folder where you saved it. I'll save everything onto my desktop, and then double click, and you see it puts all the settings in here. Now the only thing that you need to change is the initial lot size. Now I recommend for every $1,000 you use no more than 0.1 lot. If you use anything larger, you will risk blowing up your account. Okay, so when that's done, you're okay. What you'll see is a little smiley face right here. A unhappy smiley face, as you can see, means it's not working. So what you need to do is just double click, go to common, make sure this is ticked, allow live trading, click on OK, still not smiling, auto trading, click on that, now it's smiling. And that's it. Now you are completely set up to go. So yes, you can just leave it now, just check it now and again, check for profits, withdraw profits, and do what you want. So this is all completely done. Any questions, just drop me an email.